Hi all. Today we're going to focus on the real digestion. It's the chapter is called digestion, and this is break it down and organization of digestion. It's section 1.3 and 1.4. Now it's going to get really difficult. So I'd like to focus on ingestion, absorption, elimination today.
Hi, I'm meneer Schinkel.
That's Meneer Schinkel. Okay. Thanks, Meneer Schinkel. I'd like to continue now. This is about ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. So you eat your food and you are your food. For that matter, I'd like to discuss ingestion first. So that's putting things into your mouth. I've made this Prezi, and I'm going to send you the link of the Prezi, of course. The first part of the Prezi, there is a YouTube link, and this YouTube is about the difference between chemical and mechanical digestion. So you put something into your mouth and then your mouth starts to make it smaller. Chemical is with chemicals or enzymes, and the mechanical is with your teeth. So let's watch together this first part.
What are the differences between mechanical and chemical digestion? Well, there are two major types of digestion, mechanical and chemical. And mechanical, first, can be thought of the churning, pushing, and pulling food apart down into smaller particles. So we'll make food small, but this has to do with not changing any chemical nature in the food. So think about your mouth while eating. What organs would help you churn the food? As you can see in this picture, these teeth are incredibly useful for breaking down food. And also, you can imagine the churning nature of the stomach. The stomach actually is lined with incredible layers of muscle, smooth muscle tissue, which actually churn the food and break it down into smaller pieces. The next type of digestion takes place in the mouth, stomach, and small intestines. This is chemical digestion. Chemical digestion involves chemical changes of food. So even before you start eating, your brain actually signals for the release of certain enzymes in the mouth. And this starts the process of chemical digestion. An enzyme known as salivary amylase will break down carbohydrates into simple sugars called monosaccharides. So that's the first step of chemical digestion.
So I think that's enough for now. So there is a difference. You have mechanical, which you do with your teeth, and there's chemical you do with several chemicals or enzymes. On the next page of 1.3, it's going to talk about enzymes in digestion. Enzymes in digestion, there's a very good video. I'm going to link it to you in the subscription. It's called Enzymes Basics. You see I started at point of 116, and because that's the most useful part. Let's watch a bit together.
The foundation for health and recovery from illness rests in the ability of our digestive systems to digest food. All of the nutrients necessary to sustain life reside in the food we eat. Our digestive systems are designed to change food into a form that permits the absorption of those nutrients through the digestive tract, into the bloodstream, and to the organs and systems that depend on those nutrients for life and health.
These are the small intestines.
What makes absorption possible are digestive enzymes, most of which are produced in the pancreas and released throughout the digestive tract. Our bodies produce enzymes specific to the type of food we are eating. Protein digesting enzymes such as protease, the fat digesting enzyme lipase, and amylase for the digestion of carbohydrates.
You can see they act like the scissors. chemical scissors actually.
Food, when eaten, begins to digest in the mouth, but different types of food are digested in different parts of the digestive system. Protein, while masticated in the mouth, is primarily digested in the stomach. Fats are primarily digested in the small intestine.
Ooh, chocolate.
The process of carbohydrate digestion begins in the mouth with the release of the amylase enzyme. In the mouth, amylase enzymes begin to break apart the bonds holding the carbohydrate polysaccharide sugars together.
So this is amylose broken down by amylase.
Additional carbohydrate digestion continues from the mouth in the upper stomach. Protein is primarily digested in the stomach. Protein digesting enzymes break apart the bonds holding the amino acids of protein. Digested protein, partially digested carbohydrates, and undigested fats travel into the small intestine for the digestive process to be completed. In the small intestine, amylase completes the digestion of carbohydrates.
Snap.
Fats are digested in the small intestine by the lipase enzyme.
And when it's small enough, it's going to be absorbed by the villi into the bloodstream.
Digested protein, carbohydrates, and fats are then absorbed through the villi of the small intestine into the bloodstream, where crucial life-sustaining nutrients are distributed throughout the body.
Okay, that's enough for now. I hope you have an overview of how digestion works. In the next video, we'll discuss more in detail how it works and where which enzymes are active and which other substances. Thanks for watching.